The call to prayer is called. How many times a day? 5 times. Who decided that? You did not. Allah decided it. And you have to adjust your life. Supreme Maker has said, one of the fringe benefits is that you become a disciplined person even with your timing. Then you stand in a row. The Imam says, stand all in one line, for indeed straightening the row is part of the completion of your salah. Now when you are standing next to someone you don't even know who he is, or you know who he is and you do not get along with him in the world because he has a business similar to yours, and you know what? You are now in competition with him in business, but in that prayer is not complete if you're going to leave a gap there. You need to stand next to him. Why? No matter what, you are part of the ummah. You will have to stand next to the guy next to you. He is tall, he is short. You like him, you don't like him. He is a Muslim. You will have to stand in the same saf for that salah to be accepted. That is Allah training you to adjust yourself to fulfill His instruction, whether it suits you or does not suit you, for the betterment of the entire ummah above the benefit of yourself.